In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a document from OneDrive in Microsoft Word. This useful skill lets you easily access your files stored in the cloud, making them available anytime and anywhere you have internet access. It's a great way to ensure your documents are safe and accessible across all your devices, from your laptop to your smartphone. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we need to make sure we have Microsoft Word open on your device. Whether you're working on a PC or a Mac, start by finding the application icon or search for it in your Applications folder or Start menu. Once you've located Microsoft Word, open it up. You'll be greeted by the familiar interface where all the magic of word processing happens. Now, with Microsoft Word open, the next thing you want to do is to look towards the upper left corner of your screen for the File tab. Clicking on this tab will open a drop-down menu, which is where you'll find a range of options related to your documents, such as creating new files, saving current ones, or, as we need today, opening a document. Click on the Open option. This will present you with multiple locations from which you can retrieve documents, such as your local hard drive or other storage solutions you might be using. What we're interested in for this video, however, is OneDrive. You'll see it listed among your options, usually with a cloud icon next to it. Go ahead and select OneDrive. Once you're in OneDrive, you'll have access to your cloud stored documents. The interface will display a list of your most recent files and folders, making it straightforward to find the document you want. Browse through and navigate to the file you wish to open. If you have a lot of documents, you might need to use the search bar to help locate it quicker. After you've found the document you need, click on it once to highlight it, then look for an Open option, which in most cases is simply a double click, or you'll see a button labelled Open to click on with your mouse or trackpad. This action will automatically download the document to your device and open it in Microsoft Word. And there you have it, your document should now be open and ready for you to start working on. You can edit, format, and share it as needed, just like you would with any local file. By keeping your documents saved in OneDrive, any changes you make will be automatically synced to your cloud storage, ensuring you never lose your work. That's it for opening documents from OneDrive in Microsoft Word. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and empowers you to better manage your documents with the flexibility of cloud storage. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.